Merry Christmas, Freya. Merry Christmas. You want to put on your little Santa hat? Huh? You want to put on your little Santa hat for Christmas? Here we go. Ready? Come here. Come here. Put on your little Santa hat. You go put on your head. Aww. You want to see what Santa brought for you? What's this? What is it? What is it? Santa brought you a present. What is it? What is it? What's in there? What is it? What is it? Something you like. Something you like. It's hard to do this with one hand. What is it? What is it? What is it? Who is that? Who is that? Is that Hecklefish? Is it Hecklefish?
What I say? I will be a strict but fair lord of these lands, and my serfs will come to idolize me.
Who is that? Is that Hecklefish? What do you think? Do you like him? You want him to sit up here on your cage with you? Who is that? What did he say? You like Hecklefish, huh? Do you like that Hecklefish? What is it? What is it? Is that Hecklefish?
Tax is a theft. The moon landing was fake.
What do you think? You like that Hecklefish? You want to give him a kiss?